water, photosynthesis in flowering plant. Now see, photosynthesis is basically a method of energy conversion. That means the energy, the ultimate source of energy on this earth is the sun. But living organism cannot consume or use this solar energy. So it is a green plant that traps the solar energy and produces useful biological energy ATP in the form of glucose. So now this glucose has to be metabolized. Okay, this glucose has to be metabolized to produce energy. That means what? It has to be metabolized and produces energy, and energy not only for plants as well as organism that feeds on plants. That means breaking down of glucose by the process of cellular respiration releases ATP. So this sum total of this process is categorized under metabolized. Now you see photosynthesis. Okay. Now photosynthesis, if we recollect the definition, photosynthesis is basically, it is a process by which green plants takes in carbon dioxide and water vapor in the presence of sunlight, produces glucose, oxygen and water. So this is a basic definition, and this C6H12O6 is the molecule of glucose that is produced during the process of photosynthesis, and to produce this, plant requires sunlight. Okay, so sunlight that gives the photolytic energy, and carbon dioxide and water is required, and then it splits the water and mix it with the carbon dioxide, and it also produces oxygen, and this also oxygen is also a primary necessity for the organism. That means other than the autotrophs. For example, if we write organism, it is heterotrophs. Heterotrophs to survive on earth. Okay. So the basic existence of the heterotrophs is oxygen, and it is possible only through the process of photosynthesis. Okay. Now see, it was Joseph Priestley. Okay, Joseph Priestley, he was the first scientist who discovered that plants releases oxygen and takes in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Now basically this photosynthesis is performed in the mesophyll tissues of green plants. Okay, it is performed in the mesophyll tissues of the green plant, and